Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Izzat bin Khairul Riza. My supervisor is Dr. Sandra Catherine, and I'm making this video because to share about my final year project. And the title for my final year project is molecular detection of Megalicity virus in your tetra, or its scientific name is Phyrocharodon inaceae. Okay, move to the chapter 1 or introduction. For the introduction, people rearing ornamental fish as their hobby, and some individuals breed it for their source of income. Over 2,500 species were involved in the global ornamental fish industry, and most of them are from freshwater species. Currently, there are 623 ornamental fish exported in Malaysia, according to the Department of Fisheries in 2017. For the problem statement, no study on Neotetra has been done in Malaysia, and in Malaysia, infection of ISKNV has been reported in genus Megalicity virus. For the objective for this study is to detect presence and absence of Megalicity virus in Neotetra, and as you can see from figure 1.1, it is general structure of Megalicity virus. Move to the literature review or chapter 2. As you can see from figure 2.1, it is a standard morphology of Neotetra, and table 2.1 shows us about taxonomy of Neotetra. For Megalicity virus is a DNA that discovered from Iridoviridae family. There are three major groups of Megalicity virus, which is ISKNV, RSIV, and TRBIV. For the chapter 3 is methodology. For methodology, this is the method that I have done for my final year project. The first method is sampling, and then sample processing, DNA extraction, PCR analysis, gel electrophoresis, gel extraction, and DNA sequencing, and lastly phylogenetic analysis. The sample processing was conducted according to the Zainatan et al. 2017. For result and discussion, for the gross observation of Phyrocharodon inaceae, no clinical sign were observed in all of the sample, and the average body weight for the sample were 0.20 gram, and the average body length for the sample were 1.85 cm. As you can see from figure 4.1, it is Neotetra that we collected from ornamental fish farm at Senai, Johor. This is a result for my primary PCR analysis. For discussion from the study, Megalicity virus were absent in sample of Phyrocharodon inaceae that were collected from Johor, and all of the sample did not show external and internal clinical sign, and there was no band appear for its full sample, including negative control. Usually, primary PCR did not show any band because it is less sensitive compared to the nested PCR. For the previous study, Megalicity virus in Phyrocharodon inaceae, it has been reported that Phyrocharodon inaceae is one of the carrier Megalicity virus in ornamental fish, recorded by John et al. 2008, as you can see from table 4.1. For the Megalicity virus in ornamental fish in Malaysia, this study showed that samples were found to be negative for the presence of Megalicity virus, contrary to other reports. Although there are no Megalicity virus in Neotetra species, but Megalicity virus have been recorded in ornamental fish in Malaysia. Most of investigated species was conducted in ornamental fish from freshwater species. This is a species that investigated species from Malaysia. For the conclusion, this study have proven that collected Neotetra sample were free from Megalicity virus infection by screening with primary PCR. Further study must be conducted to obtain more information on Megalicity virus in Neotetra to ensure Neotetra in Malaysia are free from Megalicity virus. The spread of infection Megalicity virus in fish should be reduced to minimize a total loss for farmer because of fish mortality. Networking with any professional fish health is recommended for farmer. And this is my Gantt chart for final project. and this is a reference, and that's all from me from this video. Thank you.